What's up, guys? It's Zach over here at Parkside Kia in Knoxville, Tennessee. What I got here is a 2020 Kia Sorento, and the reason I'm showing you this is because Kia is offering tons of VIN Pacific rebates right now. Okay, so I wanted to give you all the chance to check this out before it's gone, alright? And we do have tons more styles and models for you guys available, so feel free to message us about any questions or concerns that you have, okay? So let's get into this video, guys. I'm really excited to show you all what's packed inside of this vehicle, okay? Alright guys, so first off we're going to start with the up front of the vehicle, okay? So one thing I want to let you know is that it is a 3.3 liter V6 engine with the 8-speed automatic transmission. It produces about 290 horsepower, okay, so it is pretty powerful for an SUV. So up front on your headlights, okay, you're going to get the projector beam headlights with the LED positioning lights. I really like the way it looks. It's very sleek and it looks very nice. You even get this chrome finish on the front of the grille as well, just making it look a little bit more shiny, a little bit nicer in my opinion. Okay, and just one more thing, guys, you do get those clear reservoirs, so that's going to make your mechanics really happy. And then you even get this 2-in-1 safety feature up top as well, okay? So this is just a heat shield in a sense, and basically if there was to be a fire, these plastic pieces are going to melt off and it's just going to fall over the engine just to put that fire out for you, okay? So that's basically it up front. So next we're going to move over to the inside of the vehicle. Alright guys, so I am over here on the side of the vehicle. I just want to show you a couple key features. So you will notice that you do get these 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels. They're very clean, okay? And then over here on your mirrors, you do get that gloss black again. And to make it even better, these are power folding mirrors as well. And then last thing I want to show you is it is that keyless entry. All you gotta do is press that button on the door, okay? So for a lot of you all, I think you might enjoy this a lot as much as I do. I think it's like a wood top finish almost, and it's just very clean. Looks very nice. These are one-touch power windows, okay? And so if you check out over here, guys, it is your 10-way power adjustable seat as well. That's just going to maximize your comfort. So it's a very nice seat, guys. If you look right here, this is where some of your safety features are going to be. So first you're going to get the traction control. And you do have your hill start assist on this vehicle as well, and then you'll even get that blind spot indicator and that blind spot assist as well. I really love that in the vehicle. It just keeps you and your family safe at all times, and it just assists you a lot when driving your vehicle. Alright guys, so we're going to step to the back of the vehicle before we get to the inside, so let me show you that before we get to the inside, okay? Guys, so I am in the back of the vehicle, okay? First thing I wanted to point out is just how soft the side of this door panel is, okay? So it's just a really nice finish. Another thing I want to show you is this is where your lever would be to get this seat down, okay? So you can just see how easy that is. And just to top it off, you do get that nice latch system in here. That way you could anchor down a car seat if you had to. Alright, so we're going to step a little bit more inside here, guys. Another thing, you do got pockets on both seats, okay? So that's very convenient. And just to make sure that your guests are staying cool and nice back here, you do got these dual vents, okay? And then you also have a USB port, and you got your 12-volt power outlet as well. That way they can charge their phones or whatever they need to charge back here as well. And I do just want to show you how easy it is to get this up and down. Adjusting that is just, you know, super easy, guys. So I do want to show you a couple things in the back of the vehicle, guys. Alright guys, so starting at the back, I just want to show you how easy it is to get this trunk open, okay? It does have those hydraulic struts, so that way it's not just slinging open super fast. You don't have to worry about it falling on your head either, okay? So first thing I'm going to show you guys is how easy it is to get these down, alright? Just like the front, Kia made it very, very easy for you guys to get in and out of your vehicle. They also made it very easy for you to store a lot of stuff back here as well, okay? One more thing is, in your third row, you are going to get AC, and you're going to be able to control it from back here as well. So that's going to make your back third row passengers very, very happy, okay? And then you'll even get 2 cup holders on both sides, as well as vents on both sides as well. And then one more thing before we go, you do have your rear view monitor, so that's just in a very accessible place. It is very good quality. I love it in mine. I never had a rear view camera actually until I got a Kia, so I'm really glad that I have that. It is a lifesaver, okay? So next we're going to step into the vehicle, guys. I'm just going to show you a little bit more of my favorite features and things that I think that you'll love about the car, okay? Alright guys, so not much to talk about over here. I just wanted to make sure I did show you this one thing, okay? Over here, it's going to be very easy to get into the third row and in your vehicle, alright? You got this one-touch slide and fold seat over here, guys. And then to make it even better, you know, you're going to have another button up top. So for that passenger that is in the third row, they're just going to press this button right here. Same thing, it's just going to slide and fold for them. And one thing, guys, that I forgot to show you is that you do have that armrest in the middle, okay? And it has 2 cup holders in it as well. And it's actually very comfortable. Alright guys, so we are in the driver's seat up front. First thing I want to point out is that you do get a really nice leather wrapped steering wheel and your gear shifter as well. So that's just going to maximize your comfort when you're driving. Okay. Another thing is these buttons up here are just very easy to access. Okay, and they're not too confusing. The buttons are also very easy to press. Okay, so it's really nice the way Kia implemented that. And to top it off, guys, it is a push to start. And that goes hand in hand with your keyless entry. I really love those 2 things in a vehicle. And then you even got this really nice dual climate control, okay? So this is going to make you and your family very happy. And then to top that off, guys, you do got these easily accessible heated seats, all right, with 3 levels. So I know you're going to enjoy that. Everybody likes a warm seat. And then another thing is you do get 2 12-volt power outlets, guys, as well as your USB port and your aux cord. And then as well you get 4 vents up front, guys. And then one more thing is that this car is standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I love that in a vehicle, guys. So you'll be able to pull up your navigation from your phone, your music, your messages, your phone calls, all on your 7-inch display. So it's very nice, and the way that they integrated it together is just perfection. All right. And then you do got your dual standard cup holders, guys. And then you got this really nice leather finished middle console. It's just very soft touch, guys. And you got plenty of room in there, as well as another USB port, okay? So total in this car, you have 3 USB ports and 3 12-volt outlets, all right? So that's a great amount of outlets. Another thing, guys, and this is probably the last thing that we're going to talk about, is this car does have your drive mode. So that's gonna be you're gonna be able to navigate through your eco mode, your sport mode, and your smart mode. Smart mode is my favorite because what it does is it basically adapts to the way that you drive your vehicle. So I think that is just crazy, the way that Kia hit the nail on that. They did a really good job with implementing that, and I love that. Okay, so you know, guys, this is probably it with the video. There's not much more to talk about. However, like I said, feel free to message me with any questions that you might have. And don't forget that this car does have 2000's bonus cash rebate on it. But there is tons of other vehicles and styles that have tons of rebates right now. So you definitely need to come check us out at Parkside Kia in Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. And if you can't make it, feel free to just contact me. Whatever you need to do to get a hold of me. So guys, I hope y'all have a great day, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, okay?